To insert current date on a specific cell, first of all select it. Then press Ctrl and semicolon all together. You can see we have entered current date within our desired cell. To insert current time, we need to use Ctrl Shift and semicolon buttons simultaneously. You can see current time is inserted now. Let's do it again. Press Ctrl and semicolon to insert current date. And press Ctrl Shift semicolon to insert current time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 𝐼𝒂𝐴 YouTube channel. Also follow 𝐼𝒂𝐴 Facebook page. See you in next video. Bye for now.